2. RF connector. Tools: scissors, socket wrench, blade, manual knife, solder wire, resistance soldering machine, 40G low-loss stable phase cable. Use a manual knife to cut the outer jacket of the cable at 10 毫米, but do not damage the silver-plated braided layer. Use a blade to gently cut the cable jacket from 10 毫米. Do not damage the silver-plated copper braided conductor. Use a constant temperature soldering iron to evenly melt the tin wire on the cable braid layer. Use a semi-automatic stripper to cut the 5 毫米 tin braid layer without damaging the insulating core wire. Thread the rear nut of the R2 or RF connector onto the cable. Insert the solder cup into the cable's solder welded layer. Align the solder cup's inner surface with the cable's shielding inner surface, and orient the solder cup's filling port upward. Resistive soldering electrode clamps soldering cup. Incorporate the solder wire evenly from the solder cup into the solder hole, and complete it within 2 seconds. Use a blade to remove excess solder from the insulated core wire and the inner surface, and the inner surface needs to be flat. The center conductor is cut with scissors, leaving 1.8 毫米. Insert the connector pin into the center conductor of the cable. Put the connector object on the pin and screw on the rear nut. Then use a wrench to tighten the connector shell and the rear nut. This is the assembly process of the R2 or